PS1T7 of Painting Series 1. There are 3 basic elements to this tutorial. Firstly, we're going to be painting hanging folds by painting a mantilla or cloak and the upper part of the chiton. Secondly, we'll also be placing a warm garment next to a cool one. And thirdly, for the cool garment, you will discover that black and white equals blue. And here we have the hanging folds of the chiton. Tetrachrome is all about the relationship between the colors. To bring out the best in a color, it has to be in relationship with a contrasting warm or cool color. And we make transitions from the fortismata to the proplasmos. See how we created the lines where we didn't paint the grapsimata? I'm adding some more proplasmos to the glaze and some white to it.